How is it?
Hi guys, today I'm making microwave popcorn.
Okay, so this is Kirkland microwave popcorn, movie theater butter, natural butter flavor with other natural flavors, made with whole grain popcorn, gluten free. So we have 44 packs inside. Each contains 93.5 grams. Total weight is 4 kgs. Okay, so let's unbox this.
So how do you unbox it? Like, put it this way or the other way, like this?
Okay, let's see the ingredients if you want. Like, these are the nutrition factors. Okay, let's open it.
You can open it this way or that.
Oh, so we see inside
So many.
we have so many packs. So this is how the package looks like. One pack. So open it.
And there's so many packs that you can't even eat it in 3 days.
Okay, yeah, we have 44 packs. Open it.
You do this and open it like this.
I'll show you how to make this. Okay,
And
so he has opened it. Okay, there are some instructions. This side down. Okay, this side should go down. Contents are hot. Remove plastic wrap. We have already removed it.
so
Okay,
how you make it?
so this should go downside. Okay,
So how you make it is like you do this and do this and do this and do this and let's put in the microwave.
so we should keep in microwave oven, right? Like that.
In the
Okay,
microwave like
okay, fine.
let's go make the
Yes. Okay.
Or we take the popcorn and put it like this and do the popcorn in and how you make it is that
Just show me. Okay, show me what are the options here. Leave it. Okay,
this popcorn
where is the popcorn option? Yeah, popcorn, first option. Yeah, press on it.
and now it's cooking.
It's cooking.
It's cooked for 2 minutes.
Okay, and let's see
After
2 minutes. Yes, it is cooking inside like this. Nothing happened yet. So still 40 seconds left. And cover is blowing up. Oh, popcorn is getting ready.
I can't wait to eat it. It's ready.
It's ready. Okay.
You open it like this and be careful. You touch here. Don't touch this when it just.
Okay. Open it.
You have to touch this. While you open it, is
Now it is ready. Okay.
not ready. We're
Yes.
gonna open it like touch here and open it and leave it for some time and let the
Sure.
steam come out for some time.
Okay. Inside popcorn is ready. We'll wait for few minutes to get it cool and ready to eat.
And how it's when it's done, it looks like this. When it's first, it looks like this.
Oh, great. Now eat one. How is it?
Good.
Like it? Like the taste? Oh. Thank you. So tasty. Okay, carry on. Enjoy popcorn.
Bye bye.
Bye
See
bye.
you guys in the next video.
Okay, bye.